Hi, my name is Samantha from Scraps of Love, and I'm here to show you this really cool new system we just got in. It's called the Glimmer Hot Foil System from Spellbinders. So today I'm going to do a snowman, which would make a very simple card. So I plugged in this platform and I turned it on, and I waited for this green light to come on. Since that green light's on, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my metal piece down on the hot plate. You want to be careful because this is really hot. Once I do that, I'm going to hit this button on here, and that timer light is starting to blink. When that timer light is done blinking, I'll show you what we'll do. So first I'm going to talk about, while we wait, I'm going to talk about what comes in with this wonderful machine. So I had made a couple samples with it already, and I have only done this a few times, so this one's not perfect, but I thought it looked pretty cool. And this Best Wishes was really cool on black paper. So these two plates that I used in the samples came with the machine. So these aren't dies. They're similar to dies, they're just not sharp, so they don't cut your paper. They just kind of emboss it. And they have several different ones, and I believe there's also a way that you can do it with your metal dies. So it also comes with these wonderful tweezers, which make it easy to pick up your hot dies and move them around. And it came with 2 rolls of foil, which they do have foil rolls sold separately. So we have, I think, green and red in stock for Christmas. So now that this timer light stopped flashing, we're gonna go ahead and take our piece of foil, which I pre-cut to fit, and you're gonna put shiny side down onto your metal piece. Then you're gonna take your card base, or whatever paper, whatever material you're putting it on, you're gonna put that on top. And then since I'm using a big kick, I need to use the thin shim. So I'm gonna put the spacer pad on, and then I'm gonna put the thin shim on top of that. And then I'll unplug my machine, move it over to my die cutting machine, and then I'll slowly roll it through. The key is to roll it through slow. So roll it through once, forwards, kind of hear it sizzling, and once back. Now let's see the magic this machine did. So we're gonna pick up our plates, set them aside. We're gonna pick up our paper. You can use the tweezers. I am not a huge tweezer person, so it did shift a little bit when I put down. But look at how fun. Now I've got a foiled snowman. So I highly recommend this machine because I love foiling everything. And you can also use your extra leftover pieces on smaller pieces. Like the Best Wishes I have will fit perfectly with this little extra sliver we have. Don't waste anything. Thank you for viewing.